Hello everyone, this is Aniket and this tutorial is about info circles, which is a newly added feature in our list of ultimate VC add-ons. Info circles is nothing but the info list which makes your icons to be displayed on the circumference of a circle along with their respective title and descriptions, which will enhance your overall user experience and take it to a whole new level. I have implemented different types of info circles on my screen, which can be easily accessed or viewed from our demo pages. Let's move ahead and look at the different components of an info circle. So one by one we'll cover different parts. It has 3 to 4 different components, starting with the thumbnails. These icons that you look on a circle are known as thumbnails. You can display various icons into it. The circle within is known as the information circle, into which you can put up the description defining your icons, like you can highlight some features or special notes. And this external circle is known as the thumbnail circle, which will connect all your thumbnails together with the help of a connector, which is generally a line and can be displayed in different styles. Now let's go into the backend and have a look at the different properties. So here you will first need to know that parent-child functionality, because info circles work on the concept of the parent-child functionality. So here, as you can see on screen, I am dragging a parent block, and these are the child elements of a particular parent. So if some properties are applicable to the parent block, the same properties are applied to all its children. A separate tutorial has been already made explaining the parent-child functionality. Click on the image shown on screen to watch that tutorial. Now coming back, we'll have a look at how to add info circle by clicking on Add Element, Ultimate VC Add-ons. Clicking on info circle will give you a list of properties for a parent element, as well as add a parent element along with a row on your web page. Let's have a look at that directly. This is the parent block, and when you add element to the parent block, here are the child elements, that is the info circle item, which will be added within a parent block, and the list of properties are different for the child elements. So every children can have different set of properties, but the parent properties are automatically inherited into all the children belonging to the same family. You can also divide or put your info circle into various columns, divide it into 2, 3 parts, and accordingly your info circle will contain the respective row or column. Now let's edit a parent block by clicking on this icon. Let's start with the first option. You can select the area in which your thumbnails or thumbnail icons will be displayed. Now selecting top will make your thumbnails displayed on the top portion. It will get the top semicircle. Choosing right will contain the right semicircle. Choosing left will contain the left semicircle, and bottom, the bottom semicircle. In this way you can display the thumbnails in one particular region, or you can choose it to be complete. Now size of the information circle can also be adjusted. If you choose it to be 100%, the info circle will contain the 100% area of the container, which is an individual row, or if you change it or reduce it, it will contain that percentage of the container. 100%, a bigger one, 50%, a smaller one. So you can decide what percentage of area your info circle will contain. There's an option to choose the distance between the thumbnail circle and the information circle. That means the external circle of the thumbnails, distance between the information circle and thumbnail circle. You can choose it to be small, medium, large or extra large. Thumbnail icon size, you can make them look bigger. If you want to display icon in information circle, let's have an example here. I have not displayed the icon in the information circle, and if I choose yes, icons will be displayed in the information circle. So in this way, user can be aware which of the features or which option he is looking at. You can even choose the size of the icon visible into the information circle. Now the connecting line style can be selected. You can choose it to be solid, dotted or dashed between three options, and rest of the options include thickness, line color, etc. Information circle border style. You can also select the border style for your information circle. Like here, I have selected a solid border with much lighter shade of color. You can even choose it to be dashed, dotted, and all other options like thickness and color. The background color for your information circle. As well as the text color. You can choose how do you want to display descriptions on the information circle. If you hover on it, the information within the circle is changed. You can also choose it to be on the click, so that when you will click the thumbnail, the information will be changed. You can also choose it to change automatically with an option of the duration, like after 1 second or 2 seconds the thumbnails change. And on page load, the animation that you would like to see. So now when we reload the page, these are the kind of animations that I had selected in the backend, and the same kind of animations you will see on the web page. You can also choose the duration as well as the delay, and in the end the responsive nature of the info circles. In this way we have covered all the properties of a parent element. Selecting them will make all its children inherit the properties of the parent block. Let's now look after the properties of a child element. We have a title for the information circle. So the title that you put up in the backend will be shown against respective icon. You can choose whether an icon is to be displayed or a custom image. You can choose a custom image from the media library. Let's take an example. Instead of an icon, I'm using a custom image, and there you see icon has been replaced by a custom image. Next option is thumbnail icon background color. Here you can see colored backgrounds. Thumbnail icon color, like here I have given white color. Description on the information circle. So the text you enter in the TinyMC editor in the backend will be shown in the information circle on your web page. Thumbnail icon border style.
and the options that come along with the border: thickness, color, border style. As you can see on screen, this border is what a thumbnail has, that we can select from here, as well as all its options. So that's all with the options of the child elements. In this way we have covered all the basics of an info circle. We have seen how to edit a parent block, we have seen how to edit a child block. Now let's move forward to answer some FAQs. So yes, the info circles are responsive. By selecting true or false from here, you can select whether you want your info circles to be responsive. Let's check it. I'll check on my browser. When the value is set true, the info circle will transform itself into info list so that every mobile has a better view. So yes, the info circle is responsive. I hope this tutorial helped you in understanding the basic functionality of info circle. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which consists more of such video tutorials. You can check out the link given on the screen. Thanks for watching.